if you want to make a collage in Picsart, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open up your Picsart, and you can go ahead and click right here, the collage from many tools. Let me close this one, collage. Let's say for example, I want to select this one, this one, this one, and this one, right? Hit next at the top, right? You gotta see right here. Let me close this. Add, because fairly there always gonna be ads if you're using the free version. So I'm gonna just wait for 1, 2, 1, skip, close. As you can see right here, I managed to create a collage easily. You can resize it to be like this, 3 by 2, 16 by 9 for social media, square for Instagram and TikTok, or story for story. You can do something like that. And if you want to, just hit apply or hit download at the top to download for free. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.